Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to transfer files from your Android device to your PC or laptop and vice versa. Let's go to the Google Store. Type in Wi-Fi file transfer. Make sure to download this app on your Android device. Let's open the app. Make sure you're connected to your home network. Your network router must be online. Now press the Start button. We have the IP address, make sure to write this down. We're gonna need this later. Now we have to install additional software for the PC. Download WinCP, you can find the link in the description. Make sure to install this on your PC. It's a FTP client. We can connect to the server with this software. Make sure to change file protocol to FTP. Enter your device IP address right here. Port 2121. Make sure anonymous login is ticked. Now press login. Now we are connected to our device. You can simply drag and drop files anywhere you want. You can also download them without any limitations. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.